Here it is. Now here, now we are learning about PDMS. How to create a equipment in PDMS. First we will see the PDMS. Okay. Now first set up the design wall. Here it is. First set up the design wall. First you have to create the site in design wall. Here I am creating a site for create. Click on create. Go to the site. Then give the name as your site name. I'm giving the site name as my training project. Training project. Here it is. My site name is completed. Just hit the OK. See, remember, make sure that there is no space between two words. Okay. Hit OK. Here it is. The site is created. Then click on the site. Then create the zone for individual areas like equipment, piping, structure. This will come in your zone. So click on the zone. It is the zone first. I'm giving the zone first as my here. I'm giving the zone first name as my zone first site, or you can give the as anything area A1. Okay, here it is the zone. My zone is area A1. Hit the OK. Here it is your zone is created. Now select the zone and go to the create. First you have to here it is in a zone. We are in a zone. So give the name as a zone equipment. Equipment. I'm giving here equipments. Equipment 001. Then hit the apply. Here it is, the equipment zone is a different, piping zone is a different, structural zone is a different. Yeah, I have to make a three zones. Okay, so dismiss. Again click on the site, go to the create the zone. Here it is our second zone, which is piping. Here it is the piping. Okay, hit the OK. Our third zone is a structural, so go to the create. There it is, click on the zone, structural 001. Okay, hit the OK. Now our three zones are created. Now I will teach you how to model a equipment first. In equipment zone, here it is. Just drag this up because we are first doing a equipment drawing, so drag it up. I think it can we can't drag this up and down, so it is created already. Now we have to model equipment. First equipment we are going to do the create. Go to the primitives. Here it is the primitives. Create the equipment. Here it is the first equipment I'm creating, which is the my first equipment is here. Okay, here it is. I found my first equipment. The name is a D1201. Okay, here it is. I'm giving the D1201. This is my first equipment. All the coordinates as 000. I'm not placing any coordinates here. Same as hit the OK. It is already existed. See, okay. Just take the cylinder. See here, first I'm giving the height. My cylinder case height is a 4800 mm. I'm placing here a 4800 mm. I hit the enter, and my diameter of shell is a 1410. Hit the enter. Create. Here it is the cylinder created. But I need from look to the north. I'm looking to east. Okay. So here it is. I'm looking to east. But I want the cylinder rotated at 90 degree. It means my z axis will come here with y axis, and y axis goes up. So I want to rotate from x axis. Okay, the x axis will rotate it. So here in the rotate option, here click expand this rotate option. Here it is the above x y z. I want to rotate as x axis. Okay, so click x and give the 90 degree. Apply rotation. Here it is. My rotation is completed. I want this rotation. Okay, now click on next. Close this window. Okay, your shell is ready. Now how to check the shell's origin? So go to the display. In the command line, in the command line you have to here is how to check the origin of tank. So uh, go to the for we have to use a command window. So go to the display and command line, which I this already displayed. Here it is a command line. Give the axis as capital axis at CE. Hit the enter. Here it is the axis shows it is the main 00 axis out, which is the tank's middle. Okay, you can see. You can see this is the tank's middle point, which is the main 00 axis it takes. Now look to the east. I'm looking to the east. Okay. For zoom in, zoom out, press a scroll bar and rotate the scroll bar mouse. Okay. Here it is. Yeah, it comes. I am pressing the scroll bar and rotating. Okay, here it is comes in the middle. Now I don't want to show this axis now. At the same the command line in the command window, the command line is the same. Just click again. You have to type axis at CE off. Here it is. Then hit the enter. Here the axis is invisible now. Now we have to draw dish. Okay, dish along this two ends of shell. Here it is the dish. In the primitives, we already take a primitives from create primitives. The primitive option is useful for making a box, cylinder, cones, pyramid, circular torus, and the rectangular torus like RF band and dish. Okay, here it is a dish. I'm clicking on dish. First, you have to select the equipment here. In the zone equipment, select the equipment, then click on the dish. Here it is dish. Okay, the values are open now. You can go the values here, which is the diameter of dish is 1410. Here it is the 1410 of diameter of dish, and the knuckle radius you have to give here a knuckle radius, which is a dish corner radius, which is a d by 10, means diameter divides 10, which is my diameter divides 10 is a 141.00 mm. Okay, here it is my radius, knuckle radius is comes, and the my height is dish height is a 380 mm. Here it is the 380 mm. Then hit the create. Okay, here it is the dish created, but it is in the wrong direction. See, okay. Now I have to rotate this. I have to rotate this looking east. Okay, I have to rotate from x-axis. So make sure it is the direction is x-axis. Apply rotation. It comes here, but we don't know because this is in inside of the box. So do the press F8 on keyboard. You can see the wireframe. Okay, then again look to the east. I'm looking to the east. Okay, here it is your dish at this side dish. Okay, now next. Now, oh, wait. If this something is like this happens, just click on the dish and go to the query attributes. Here it is the dish values are open. The height is a 380, radius is a 141, diameter is a 1410. Yeah, this is a correct. It is a graphic problem. Okay, the dish is a comes correct. Dish values are correct. Now I have to move this dish here at this point. Okay, now you have to do this. Just click the dish, then orientate. Click on the rotate. Sorry, it is not on the rotate. Just click on the dish, go to the position, go to the move, click on through. Okay, here it is. The point is comes where we can either do this way or the simplest way you can do by the command line. I will show by the command line. Okay, this dish ends TN line. It comes in the center of shell. I want this TN line at this TN line. Okay, now I will give the here by. I'm moving south side. Okay, so give the south. I'm moving towards the south, so I'm giving the south direction. It is a 4800, so 2400. Okay, It is a 2400. It moves here. Now our dish is confirmed. It is a graphic problem. This origin it is a graphic problem. Now I am drawing the second dish here. Okay. Hit the dish. Here is the values are same. Create. It is created here. But I want to move as a ZX X-axis. Okay. Here it is. Make sure that you are on X-axis. Here. Apply rotation. Not this rotation. Yes, I want this rotation. Okay. Now hit the next. Okay. Now I have to move this dish here. Okay. Same process. I am now moving towards the north. Okay. Same. Here it is. By north, moving towards the north. So by north 2400. My shell height is a 4800. So I am dividing 4800 divides 2. Okay, 2400. Hit the OK. Hit the enter. Don't give this space. Okay, hit the enter. Here it is, your dish is completed. Okay, now your vessel is completed. Now we are doing supports for vessel. Okay, the bottom like RF pad and the square pad. Okay, now we are making the RF pad. For RF pad, you can click on the rectangular arrows, circular arrows. We need a rectangular torus. Okay, just click on the rectangular torus. Click on the equipment, rectangular torus. Here it is the parameter. Now it is R inside, means inside diameter of vessel. Okay, by R inside radius of vessel is a 705, and the outside radius of vessel on the plate has a 20 mm thickness, so 10 mm thickness. Okay, so I will need the outside radius just plus 20 mm with the 705, it means 725 mm. Okay, so here my 725 mm. The height, it is, you can see here a height which is I'm taking from my catalog. The height is 300 mm, but I'm taking the 400 mm, 50 mm for welding purpose. The angle is a 120 degree. Okay, create. Hit the create. Here it is here. RF pad is created. Now I have to rotate with the x-axis. Okay, so yeah, make sure that it is in a x-axis direction. On the apply rotation, here click on the apply rotation. No, it is the not comes. Okay, just slightly rotate, but you cannot see like this. Go to the look to the south. Okay, see, you can see now this yellow lines. Okay, now again you have to rotate. Give first, make sure the rotation. Yeah, this is the okay rotation. This is give the 30 mm because we give the 120, and for 180 degree, 180 minus 120, the 60 degree remains 30 30. So 30 here, 30 here, and 120 will be comprised here. Okay, apply rotation, apply rotation, apply rotation, apply rotation. I think you have to move from Z. Okay, sorry, you have to rotate along with the z axis. Okay, so the 30 degrees here and the z axis. Okay, your RF pad is ready here. Okay, click on hit the next. Your RF pad is ready. Now click on the equipment. I have to create a box here. Here it is the parameters. My y length is always parallel to the north direction. Okay, so here it is in the case north direction in my catalog. Y length it is 300. Okay, 300, and the z it's 860. 860. Okay, and the x-axis is a 1060. Okay, hit the create. Looking to the east. Okay, now I have to, it is correct. Hit the next. Okay, now I have to move this thing here first. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do, click here as this rectangular torus, which is this. We create a RF pad which is a rectangular torus. Now I have to move this here, so I'm giving the dimension. No, I'm not giving the dimension. I'm moving it by the coordinates, like y and north and south coordinates. Okay, by south, I want to move towards the south, 2400. Okay, with the enter, it comes in the center of RF pad. Now I have to move this RF pad at the 965 towards the north direction with the center. Okay, here it is. By towards the north direction, 965. See here, command line. Okay, what I'm doing, 965. Here it is, center 965. Center, center 965. Okay, now I have to move this also here. This is the box. I have to move this to the center of this. So I'm doing the same, which I am gonna do this for the RF pad. Now by south 2400 becomes a center TN line with the center of box. I have to move again north side of 965 by north 965. Okay, now I have to move this at the downside. Okay, here I am not giving the any commands for moving this here by this line parallel to this line. I am going to do a position move through. Okay, here I am going to the down, so click on the down. Here it is the origin. Don't click anything in your origin, just ID cursor applied. Just left click, drag up. Here this block is the upside. I'm giving the by down 430, so it goes parallel to this line. Okay, I will make this same here, then you can see. Now I have to make another box. My x length is a 400. My x length is a 1160. And this is y length is a 400, and this should be a 25 mm. Okay, hit the create. Then the rotation is the same. Click on the next. I have to move this here. So for here, I'm doing the same by 2400 for south. Okay, here it is for south, and again I'm moving towards the north, which is the 965. It comes in the center, but I have to take this at the this line. This line should be parallel to this line. Okay, so okay, here I'm going to show you how to move this parallel to this line. Okay, I want to this line parallel as to this line, this block line. Okay, now just click select this box too, which is this, then go to the position, move, click on the move, click on through. Here in the origin, just to check the ID points, P1 ID point, where the P1 ID point comes, slightly rotate, see P1 ID point, it is towards the east. Okay, then click on the P2, check this all coordinates, it towards the north, P3 it comes in the center. Okay, I think it is the upside. Yeah, I want this line parallel to the this line, so my P3 point is a completely correct. Now I'm going to down, so I will write here, put the symbol as a D, which is down, then go to the through. Here it is on a through, click on the IDP point, then hit the apply. Here just a click outside of drawing and drag here, then you can see the points, this types of points. Just go near the points, and this white window, white square block will become too small. Like again, see, it is making a small white block. When it makes a small white block, release the left key. Okay, here it is. Here block is parallel to the another block. Okay, you've done it. Same I have to make here. Okay, east. Here it is. Now I will show you how to copy this whole thing here. Okay, I will show you how to copy. It is an interesting part. Looking east, I'm taking the looking east. Now I have to copy this here. Okay, here it is in the equipment. You can see this is all. Hit the box one. Here it is. You see the copy. See here it is. When I select the box one here, I highlighted this box one. This box one. Okay. Now I'm clicking this box one. Copy. Okay. Then again box one. Paste. Okay. It pasted already. You don't have to click anywhere after paste. Just give the in the command window. By I have to move in the north direction. Okay, so I am giving the north 2870. Okay, here it is the 2870. Hit the enter. Here see this paste comes here. Okay, again same process. If you select the box 2, here it is highlighted this one. If you select the box 1, it is highlighted this one. Okay, now select the another one, which is the box 3. I'm clicking the box 3. Again copy. Again click on the right click, paste. Okay, don't click anywhere after clicking the paste. Give the directly direction. Okay, I am moving towards the north, which is the same as 2870. Here it is towards the north 2870. Hit the enter. Here it is, your block is come here at the down. Okay, now I have to move this RF pad in the center of this block. Okay, now here you have to search the RF pad, which is the, here is a rectangular torus. Just right click, copy, right click, paste. Okay, now you don't have to click anything. After clicking the paste, you have to directly give the direction at the by north, which don't give the space after north, directly give the numerical value. My north is a 2870, which is the same as our upper 3. Here it is. Now my support for vessel is completed. Now I am going to nozzles. Okay, now we are giving the nozzles to the vessel. First I will show you how to place a nozzle, and after nozzles I will show you in the next lecture. Okay, I will show you only one nozzle in this vessel drawing. Okay, and how to move the origin command to the global coordinates I will show you. Looking towards the east. Now we don't need this primitives now, because our all objects parts drawing is completed. Now I have to place only a single part, which is a nozzle. Hit the, go to the equipment, click on the equipment, create, go to the equipment, create nozzles. Okay, now my first nozzle is a N1, which is 80 diameter, 3 inch. Okay, here I am giving the my tank name, which is a 1201, and the N1, my nozzle name, which is that TMM, which is a 3 inch. Here click on the nozzle type. The nozzle specification window will open. Then check this flange nozzle DI generic. I am taking the 80 mm diameter. Check this as a ANSI nozzle. I need a ANSI nozzle. Butt weld pipe nozzle. On the 300 SRF, which is same as butt weld pipe nozzle. Okay, 80 mm. Okay, you can select anything as per your project wise. Okay, hit the apply, dismiss. See, after you are going to apply, before you are going to apply for this window, you have to give the nozzle face to the center of vessel, which is 800 mm. Nozzle face to the center of vessel. Okay, nozzles flange face to the center of nozzle. The height is 800 mm, and the oriented P1 is north direction or east direction. Which direction we need? Okay, I need up direction, so I'm doing U. Okay, hit the enter. Applied. See, dismiss. This nozzle, I need this face. See, I know it. This bottom face parallel to this line. This line. Okay, this line. So what I'm gonna do now? Click on the nozzle, give the by up 800, which we already give. 800 is the distance between the nozzle flange face to the nozzle end. Okay, I'm giving the 800 up. See, it moves upside 800. Now I have to move this here. I know this nozzle here. So what I'm gonna do? Same process by south 2400 by south 2400, which comes in the center of a TN line. Again by north. I want to now move this nozzle towards the north, which is the 508. Make sure that there is no space between the direction and numericals. Okay, hit the enter. Here it is, your nozzle is comes. Okay, now I will show you how to place the global coordinates, which is very important. For placing the global coordinate, you have to check your original coordinate by typing a axis at CE. Hit. It shows the nozzle axis. We need a equipment axis. Okay. Uh, Again off. We need this off. Okay. Because it shows the nozzle axis, and it shows the dish axis. Dish one. Okay. Dish one. It shows the dish axis. So I'm going to off this dish axis. Here it is. It doesn't offer. I think it's a problem of graphic problem. Set off of access. No, it is a graphic problem. This axis is a graphic problem. So go to the equipment first. Click on the equipment. Then click on the axis at CE. Axis at CE, hit the enter. Here it is shows the 00 coordinate. You can see this. This is our main 00 origin coordinate. Okay. Now we have to change this coordinate to the for this we have to do the special command for this. Okay, here it is our main axis, which is shown by the axis at CA. Typing in command window, this axis will show you. Now you have to move this axis to the here in timeline. Okay, first you have to do this. Just go to the modify, click on the equipment origin, click on the ID point. After clicking on the ID point, just left click at black window outside and go drag here this timeline, which is here center line. Yeah, I got this. After highlighted this white square block, release the left click. Okay, here I am releasing this. Return to the initial origin. This window will come and click on the no, because we don't need to move to the original initial position, we need this new position here. So hit the no. Now it shows this, but you have to first off this axis. Here it is. I'm going to off this axis again. I'm going to show able to this axis. Now it shows this axis here. Okay, this shows. This is the main axis. Now we are going to move this equipment, whole equipment. Okay, for moving the whole equipment, we have to we have a special command which is the pause POSWRT. Okay, here after giving this command, this positions will be shown here. We need the change this position. Just copy this, then paste here. Change the direction, which is my east direction. 312370. Okay, and the north direction, it shows me a south direction. Okay, a south direction is 294502. 294502. We can also change here this on this north direction and this west direction. I'm trying. Okay, and my elevation is center to 106170. Okay, it moves to the original. It moves to the global coordinate. Okay, then for fit to window walk to entire draw list. Here it is here. For checking your global coordinate, copy this, or you can buy this command, paste here, enter. Here you see the coordinates, and if you want to see the origin, then axis CE at CE. Okay, here it is the axis, and here it is. Here it is the axis. The global position starts from here. Okay. Now in this lecture we completed about the equipment and the global position, how to place the global position, moving and copying the parts, and visual and nozzle. Okay, in next lecture we will see for column, how to make a column. Okay.